And then finally on the 27th, kind of the most fun is creating these things called chat bots that really extends your knowledge base, things that you want your clients to know, and it puts it, if you want, on your website so that clients know. And guess what? AI can traverse through chatbots, so that helps in getting found. Or you can just have a link that you send to your clients if you want in an email or put it on social media. Or you can have these chatbots where you create it internally so your staff knows each other's knowledge. And that just mind blowing that you can put up, thousands of pages of PDFs that you currently use for a technical support, that you use for product information, and you can put that up, and as it changes you take down the old stuff, put up the new stuff, so your staff has access to the newest. So we can call them AI agents when they are doing some thinking on their own, or we can just call them workflow when it's sending out a reaction and a trigger, or we can call them chat bots when you're going and asking questions to it. So there's a few different things that I'll be talking about in the very last session, where you're making AI become your newest, most effective employee. But you need to know how to talk to it, and that takes us back to the very first one. So thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you in August.